Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I was just having a little Hawaiian, that's not Hawaiian punch, fruit punch. It's really good. I was thinking about that juice. Thank God I got it there. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Cindy. This is my kitchen. Behind the camera is Michael. And Teddy and Ginger. Teddy, Ginger, come. Teddy, come. Where's Teddy, Michael?
He's outside.
Come, go and let him in. Ginger, oh no, there's Ginger. Just show everybody Ginger. That's
Hey, Ginger,
guys. And today, guys, you probably saw the box.
Come on, Ginger. Or come on, Teddy.
Come on, Teddy boy. Teddy, Michael likes to put that camera right on my face, and he makes me blind, you know? So anyway, guys, guess what? Valentine's is right around the corner. For all the lovers out there that celebrate Valentine's, or that have those wonderful boyfriends that get them presents, or those wonderful women that get their man present, or they like take each other places and do stuff for each other. Hey, kudos to you. I'm jealous from over here, from Austin, Texas. But some Valentine's cookie, guys. What do you think? It was $2.39, and I seen the box, and I said I gotta get a box of Valentine's cookies because I always make cookies like for Christmas, or when I see those beautiful Halloween cookies, I get them. You know, like whatever thing we have, holiday coming up, and next week is gonna be wow, these are very nice.
I know.
These are the 24. See, they're really cute, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Valentine cookies, and it
Those
actually
are pretty.
It says here that to put your oven. Michael, you can show that to all the viewers.
All right, everybody. 375.
Yes, exactly. It says to put it on 375
for 10 minutes.
But then my oven is a crazy oven.
That's right.
Like my oven doesn't like it cooks on time, but for some reason it cooks a little bit slower. Not that much slower, guys, but you know.
Wow, look at those.
I know they look
those
cute,
are
right?
cool.
There's the oven. It's already set up for 375.
They are cool. They are cool.
Yes, they are. And you know what I'm gonna do, Michael?
I like those pink ones.
Yeah, the pink ones are nice, right?
The white ones are nice too.
Yeah, they are. I'm just gonna put them all over the place. I'm gonna mix and mash them. What do you think?
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
Like, come on, close like, yes, mother. Oh, that one went kind of like upside down. So I'm just trying to put them like this, all of them. I don't know how big they're gonna grow. How big are they gonna grow, Michael?
Well,
Do you think they're gonna be too big?
I don't think so.
Do you think I need like a little bit?
I think they're good.
No, but I
think they'll all fit.
No, I don't think so. I think it's too much, but I'll just take another tray. But anyways, I'm gonna place them like this and throw these in, guys. Okay, so you guys can see our Valentine beautiful cookies that I have here going on. Do you think that's enough like that?
Oh yeah.
Yes, and they have like enough space in between each other. I think they do now. Yep. What do you think? Yep.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put them in the oven, and it says, oh no, we're supposed what? 375, Mike?
Oh yeah.
What happened?
Oh, put a little too high.
375. Yeah, a little bit too high, but anyway, they're still going in. So we're gonna put them there 10 minutes. So let's see, it's 3:42. So at 3:52, and while those are going in, guys, we take a break, guys. I'm gonna finish putting the rest of these here in this other tray, and I'm gonna put these in. We're probably gonna be taking out those like a minute or two before we take these out. But more or less, they're gonna be coming out, guys, around the same time, okay? So, you know what? Just stay right there, and we can do this together. What do you guys think?
That's right.
Yeah? What do you think, Mike?
All right.
Like, yes, mother.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I think that's enough space, right? Because I have 12 of them here. And there you go. And there's another 12 over there. That's a whole 24. So we got a tray on the top, tray on the bottom. And at 3:53 we'll come back, okay, guys? Or 3:53 at 3:55 we'll come back. At 3:55 we'll come back. Don't forget to subscribe, and then we're gonna pull out some beautiful pink and cream Valentine cookies for those lovers out there. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, thanks for coming back up. I know we said we were going to come back at 3:55, and it's been 4 minutes, but remember when we started this, I told you My oven is a little crazy. They are done. Oh my God, look, and they got bigger. But you see, that's why I left them a little bit more. The ones on the top are not done yet. These are, you can see them. See the browning? Yeah. So that means they are. You think they're done, Michael? Should I put them back in? They're looking kind of weak, though.
They look good to me.
They look good to you?
Yeah.
Oh, did I lost a piece of cookie there?
Yep.
The dogs look like they are tasting. Okay, guys, so we're back. Michael says they're done.
Yeah, they are. Look at that.
Yeah, they are. They just like very
They're very small and petite.
Yeah, you see, look at the back of it.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, they're done. They look nice, right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
So for all those, these are cookie lovers.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm gonna call them, cookie lovers. And Michael's like, no, Mama, they ain't no cookie lover. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Oh, hold on. This is hot. Just putting them all like that, guys. There we go. And I'm gonna take the other ones out in a minute. Now they're done, Mike. Huh? So they're all done. I just want to put them, you see? Make that look nice. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And everything. Yep. There you go. Another one, buzz the dust. Oh, there you go. Ta-da-da. What, did I say something bad?
No.
Okay, here we go. And these are cookies. And let's get the other tray so we can put them all together. Woo, look at that. Rolling down the cookies. Okay, there we go. This is hot, Michael. Excuse me. There we go. They smell good. Look at the dogs, how they are, Michael. You got the dogs all over the place. Look at how the dogs are. So I'm just going to put them a little bit like this, Mike. What do you think? We put them, try to fix them up a little bit. Like make them look, you know, nice. There you go. They're hard cookies. Wow. These are very hot as they're coming off the plate. Wow. Oof. Yes, they are, Nina. Oh. Wow. So what are you, all you lovers out there, cookie lovers, are going to be doing for this coming up Valentine's? Anybody doing something special, like, I don't know, going away or looking into getting engaged? Ouch. That one was too hot when I took it out. So, okay. So we're going to give this one for Micah to eat. Micah, you're going to have to eat that one. It's very, very hot, that one. Yeah. Here we go. Or a lot of special stuff. People go out to eat. You know what I'm saying? Dinner. I don't know. Usually chocolate. Women will get chocolate and flowers or nice jewelry. Or a romantic trip. I don't know. What do you think, Michael? Like those go-away trips. This just came up a little bit, but that's because I'm trying to make them pretty so you guys can see more or less what they're going to look like. And that's more or less what they're going to look like, guys. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. I love you all. Thanks for watching and listening to my crazy, me talking here by myself. Because Michael doesn't really talk to me. But thanks for watching, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Michael, you got to eat one and taste one. I'm going to give probably my husband some cookies, so he's going to be getting, babe, you're going to be getting a present from your wife. You're going to be getting, I'm going to give you a pink cookie, babe, and one of those tan cookies, okay? One of each. I love you, and I love you all. Thanks for watching. Don't drink and drive. Try to make your cookies. Go to your nearest supermarket and grab those beautiful lover cookies. And again, peace out. Thanks for watching. No drinking and driving.